नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 3rd May 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade, share my learning and MTM position at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into Lalaji, as a protocol, let's first get into global market and see what we have in store. So global market S&P 500 is uh, showing green, and it is above up, that is above 8 bar moving average. So this is a positive sign, and this is mainly happening because US government 10 bond yield is sharply going down, and it is now touch 1.592. So it is out of danger zone of 1.6. So this is a very good sign for a global equity market and specifically for Bank Nifty. And now when we look into dollar index is also going down. It has gone below 8 bar. So this is also a good sign for emerging market like India. So overall, global market are showing a good sign for us. That is for Nifty for tomorrow. Now let's look into Lalaji. We'll start from a weekly chart. So when we look into weekly chart, what we see is that today market had a very strong gap down opening, and it touched the blue line and then recovered, and it is close below 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200. So definitely in uptrend, but always remember that we are definitely into an overstretch market. And on daily chart, Lalaji is closed just above 20, just above 8, below 50, and above 200. So this is also a good sign, which is an uptrend. And what we see here is that market has today closed just above monthly pivot of 14609, and also above or between the or above the two magical lines, that is this black and blue line. I use a fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know what are these lines and want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video called Trade Setup on my YouTube channel, Trade Plan Nifty. But for now, what is important is that on daily basis, market is closed above 20 and above it, so it is in uptrend. Now on 15-minute chart, when we see that market has closed above 8, above 20, below 50, and most importantly above 200. So here also market now is in uptrend. Now to confirm our view, let's look into market profile. So when we look into market profile, we see that yes, tomorrow's CPR is below today's CPR. So on market profile basis, market is still in bearish mode. Now lot will depend upon how the market is opening tomorrow. So for tomorrow, when we look into SGX Nifty, we see that SGX is currently at 14745 and 745. So that is above weekly pivot of 14699. So somewhere here, closer to R1, and definitely above pivot. So in a bearish mode, like Pivot Boss says, if the open even in the bearish market is above value, then the strategy is buy on dip at pivot or at L3 on Camarilla. So for tomorrow, the pivot is at 15575, which is here, and L3 is at 15563, just closer to pivot. So any dip towards pivot could be a good buying opportunity for a target of R1, which is 14733, and R2, which is 14833. Just above weekly H3, somewhere here. So, and for any reason, because market is looking, things are changing very fast nowadays. So for any reason, if the market is opening below pivot, then it will be sell on rise at pivot. But as of now, it looks like that market is going to open above pivot. So for tomorrow, the trade plan is buy on dip closer to pivot, which is at 14576. So that's my trade plan for tomorrow. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's see what I did today. So today I was carrying one lot of 15,000 PE. Market open as usual, gap down as expected. It touched my magical blue line, and then from there it reversed. I should have booked my profit here. I'm almost at around 20k profit, but I did not book my profit. My target is 14,100, so I still holding it. And then my idea was to sell on rise. The trade plan was to sell on rise at pivot and H3 or at previous day low. So I waited the whole day. I didn't take this up move, and on green bar I entered my first lot. Then I made a mistake of putting a second lot on this doji, and then I did not put any stop loss here because my stop loss was for all position was pivot or TC. And then market had a very strong two up move, and I almost had and then on this red bar market started reversing. Here also I entered one more shot, so then now I had a four positions with me. And then I was thinking what should I do, because market was almost closing above 200 bar moving average and above my magical lines. Then at the close I exited two position and kept only two position with me, which I'm carrying home. So overall a negative day. So this is my first 14,600 PE which I bought. Then this is the second PE. Then this is the third PE. Then I sold two PE. And now I have one 15,000 PE which is I'm running, and one PE which I'm running at the loss of around 5741. So tomorrow it looks like that market is gonna open top, come down, and the market looks like it has reversed. So bulls are coming back, and that is basically driven by US government 10-year yield, which is going down. So bank nifty will be very strong tomorrow. But still we need to see, because market is at a very critical junction. So tomorrow morning, how the US 10-year bond has closed, and how S&P has closed, and where SGX is. So I will update my idea tomorrow at the open. So keep an eye on that. Tomorrow is another critical day. But if market opens above 14 previous day high, which is 14674, then it will be an open which is out of range and out of value, and we could see another trend day. So be ready for that. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. Please consult again your financial advisor before you take any trade. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.